Well, it's just a matter of fact. In fact, dati pa namin sinasabi yan kahit nung mga committee hearings pa lang na talagang may credit notice no yung DepEd. Obviously, that's not something that was being highlighted even by the media. But yun ang fact no na I think it was August 9, 2024 when DepEd received its credit notice. So at least na nalabas na ngayon in open court na yun talaga yung status, and that's also why I was asking the witness the other day when I was doing the cross kung alam ba niya yung status ng DepEd at kung alam niya ano ibig sabihin ng credit notice. But as the as the witness mentioned earlier, it's also a fact that a credit notice may be reopened, 'di ba? Meaning kahit na settle na yung account, it may be reopened. So tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari dito sa credit notice na to, because I noticed that emphasis was also being made on if a credit notice can be reopened. But sa amin ngayon, on the part of the defense, at least nailabas na talaga categorically na may credit notice ang DepEd for the first and second quarter ng paggamit ng confidential fund.